Nozzle clogged, unable to unload filament. Step 1. Unload the filament. If you cannot retract it, cut the filament. Step 2. Hold the tube fitting. Note that it is blue. Press both ends of the tube fitting. To remove the filament tube. Step 3. Hold down the switch. And remove the hot end. You can also use tools if necessary. Step 4. Pull the filament out with force. If it doesn't come out, use a hairdryer or heat gun to heat the tube and then pull the filament out. Step 5. Reinstall the hot end, ensuring you hear a click when it's properly installed. Step 6. Insert the filament tube, ensuring it is inserted fully to a depth of approximately 2 centimeters. Click on the load filament. To test if the replacement was successful. If the filament does not come out, you need to clean the nozzle. Click Prepare. Change filament. Load filament. PLA. Wait for heating to 210 degrees Celsius. If the blockage is serious, you can choose PETG and heat it to 230 degrees Celsius. Get a needle. Push the needle through the nozzle. If the blockage has been cleared, the filament will slip through the nozzle. Step 7. Readjust the Z offset. Please check the video for adjusting the Z offset.